children. Today we will learn how to make sentences. We will frame simple sentences by using this TLM. We have used so many words here like this is my book. One sentence is this is my book. Instead of book we can use another word. This is my pen. This is my table. This is my cup. This is my mobile. Instead of my, we can use your also. This is your book. This is your pen. Likewise, we can make sentences. Instead of your, we can use his or her also. His for boys and her for girl. This is his book. This is her pen. And instead of his or her, we can make sentences using name also. This is Aman's book. This is Aman's table. This is Aman's mobile. We can use girl name also. This is Anita's book. This is Anita's pen. This is Anita's table. Likewise, we can frame sentences. Negative sentence we can frame. This is not my book. This is not my pen. This is not my table. This is not my cup. This is not my mobile. Instead of this, we can frame sentences using that also. That is my book. That is my pen. That is my table. Instead of that, we can use it also. It is my book. It is my pen. Or not sentences. It is not my book. It is not my pen. We can frame sentences from here also. Here is my book. Here is my pen. Here is my table. We can use there also. There is my pen. There is my cup. There is my mobile. We can use was also. This was my book. This was my pen. This was my table. We can use that also. That was my book. That was my pen. That was my mobile. That was not my pen. That was not my book. That was not my mobile. Likewise, we can use sentences using that, it, here, there. And is not, was not. My, your, his, her, Aman's or Anita's. We can frame many more sentences using these words. Thank you. Good morning, children. Today we will learn about compound words. Compound words are the words when two or more words join or combine with each other. We will learn it by using this TLM. Compound words like sun plus flower. It will become sunflower. A new word is formed with new meaning. Cup plus cake. It will become cupcake. Rain plus bow. It will become rainbow. Basket plus ball. It will become basketball. Lip plus stick. It will become lipstick. Star plus fish. It will become starfish. Hot plus dog. It will become hot dog. Egg plus plant. It will become eggplant. Jelly plus fish. It will become jellyfish. Butter plus fly. It will become butterfly. Mail plus box. It will become mailbox. Eye plus glasses. It will become eyeglasses. Thank you.
Welcome everyone. I am Swati from Kendriya Vidyalaya and Rewsganj. Today we are going to learn how to make a TLM to teach maths language for the class 1 and 2. For this we need a A4 size sheet of any color of choice you can take. After that you can ask students to draw circles using bangles. They can draw these 2 circles. इसमें हम बच्चों को बेसिकली एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन का कॉन्सेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकते हैं. फॉर दिस यू कैन आस्क देम टू मेक स्मॉल स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ एडिशन, देन सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड थर्ड वन इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, इसमें बच्चे इसको गेम्स की तरह भी बच्चे ले सकते हैं और इसके साथ खेल सकते हैं. किस तरह से वो ये काम कर सकते हैं आइए मैं आपको बताती हूँ. लाइक दे कैन play with their classmate or a friend like 1 plus a 1. ओके, अब यहाँ पर ये क्या कर सकते हैं, ये सिंबल भी चेंज कर सकते हैं according to their choice and they will learn that 1 plus 1 will make 2. Using pencil they can write here. If they will change the symbol, it will become 1 minus 1, that is 0. And again they can use it with some other numbers also. Like if I will add here 2 multiply by 2, then it will become 4. So इस तरह से very simple concepts जो हैं बच्चे they can learn accordingly with the help of these cotton balls and they can play like this. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Swati from Kendriya Vidyalaya and Rewsganj. Today we are going to make simple TLM जिसकी help से हम बच्चों को क्लास में ये बनवा सकते हैं और the children will be able to learn various things. For this we need A4 size sheet of any color you can take and you need pencil, some scissors and scale and some glue for pasting. First you can draw lines of your choice, measurements that you need to make the strips. Then using scissor you can cut these strips. To make this I have taken a single line sheet A4 size so that it will be easy for me to write in these lines. What we are going to make is known as prefix strips. In language we can use them. After cutting you can make as per your choice and you will get thin strips like this. After this to make it more visible you can use some other sheet. And what we need to make is we have to cut it. इसको हम लाइन्स पे इस तरह से सिंपली कट कर सकते हैं, 2 of them. Okay, and we need to paste it with the glue. पेस्ट इस तरह से करेंगे और बीच में जो है इसमें हम स्पेस कटिंग करेंगे कुछ इस तरह से. आप ये देखिए ताकि ये जो है इस तरह से आए पूरा. और इस तरह से हम प्रीफिक्स लिखने के लिए एक वर्ड को करेंगे ताकि ये स्लाइड कर सके, बच्चे इसको अपने आप स्लाइड कर सकें. इसको आप ये दोनों साइड से आप इसको पेस्ट कर दीजिए फ्रॉम बोथ द कॉर्नर्स. कुछ इस तरह से पेस्ट करिए ताकि ये जो स्ट्रिप्स हैं ये इजीली इसके अंदर फ्लो डाउन हो सके. आई विल शो यू लाइक दिस. स्ट्रिप्स जो हैं ये इसके अंदर इस तरह से एंड चिल्ड्रन विल बी एबल टू रीड द सिंगल वर्ड. ओके, वर्ड लिखेंगे बच्चे और उसके बाद इसको स्लाइड करते जाएंगे और नीचे उसको रीड करते जाएंगे. तो what we will get in the end is something will look like this. See, you can teach them very easily. You can add one un and the happy word is already written in these strips. So if the child will slide it down, he will be able to know that un will be added in front of the do to create the opposite of the word. Like this is able, and when the child will bring the slider here, it will become unable. So he will be able to know that prefix are the words that are added in front of the word, and sometimes they will create the opposites also. Yes, true, untrue, like usual. This is one of them, or This is the another one. Here you can use the word re. Okay, you can decorate it as per your creativity, and like it is retreat, then replace, revisit, rewrite. This word is used very commonly in the classes. Rewrite your classwork or rewrite the given paragraph. This is the third strip that I have made using the word miss. Like this, you can read it: misspell, misplace, mishear, misuse, misbehave. Like this, these prefix strips can be created. Similarly, you can also create suffix strips also and help the child to learn better. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. So today we will learn how we will dress up, and this will be the correlation between English and EVS. So first, this is the boy. Let's name it Rahul. She's a girl. Let's name it Ria. Oh, how they are looking. Let's dress up them. First, I will put skirt on the girls. Spelling of skirt: S-K-I-R-T. Now the top. See, the skirt is of yellow color. Now the top is of red color. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Now a beautiful hat on the top of the girl to make her smart. C-A-P, cap. H-A-T, hat. Okay, now pair of socks. Pair of socks. The socks are of pink color. P-I-N-K, pink. And socks, S-O-C-K-S, socks. So now the girl is ready. Now we will dress up the boy. This is the shorts. S-H-O-R-T-S. It is of blue color. It is of blue color. This is the shirt. It is of yellow color. It is of yellow color. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. And this is the cap. C-A-P, cap. Cap is of green color. Cap is of green color. Now the socks. Socks is of white color. Socks is of white color. S-O-C-K-S, socks. W-H-I-T-E, white. See how beautiful Rahul and Ria are looking. Thank you. Represent the water cycle. So this is the sea full of water. This is green planet, that is Mother Earth. Sea full of water. This becomes the lake. This is the pond. As we all know, these are the sources of water. The river, the pond, the lake, these are the sources of water. Sources of water, from where we get water. Now, who will form the water cycle? This is our friend sun. This is our friend sun. When it becomes very hot, so what happens? The water from the sea, lake, river and pond evaporates by the intense heat of the sun, and they goes up into the air, and This process is known as evaporation. And the water from all the water sources goes up and up and up. Okay? And they form the clouds. They form the clouds. They form the clouds. There are many clouds we see. And when the clouds are filled with water, they become heavy. And then they fall back into the river, pond, sea. And this is called the condensation. When we get back the rain onto the earth, it becomes the condensation. So in this way, the water goes up and comes down as rain, and it goes on in the same way, and it forms the water cycle. Thank you.
Hello students, today we are going to learn about domestic and wild animals. Can you see there are some animals? You have to identify their names. Okay students, do you tell me what is the name of this animal? This is a dog and it is a pet animal. Now identify this animal. This is a cat and it is also a pet animal. Students, please identify the animal. This is a rabbit and it likes carrot. It is also a pet animal. Do you tell me the name of this animal? This is a horse. It runs very fast and it is also a pet animal. So student, this group is known as pet animals. Now come to this group. There are some animals, you have to identify this. Can you tell me which animal is this? This is a tiger and it is a national animal of India. It is wild animal. Tell me the name of this animal. This is rhinoceros. It is also a wild animal and it found in jungle. Now, can you identify the name of this animal? This is fox and it is very clever. It is also a wild animal. Last, this is a monkey. This is also a wild animal and it likes banana to eat. So, this group is also known as wild animals. So students, there are two types of animals, wild animal and domestic animal. Wild animals live in jungle and it can also be seen in the zoo. And pet animal, we kept them at home and they are our friends. So student, bye, have a nice day. Today we are going to learn about various means of transport. First of all, I will like to tell you, transport is very important in our life. Do you know the meaning of transport? Transport means moving of people, goods from one place to another. It is called transport. Transport is divided into three groups. First group is land transport. Movement of people, goods from one place to another on land. It is known as land transport. So students, see, there are various examples of land transport: jeep, bicycle, scooter, car, cycle, rickshaw. These all vehicles run on land. Now second group is water transport. Movement of people, goods from one place to another through water. It is known as water transport. So students, see, these are the various examples of water transport. Boat, ship, shikara, yacht, motorboat. These are the examples of water transport. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. Now, third group, air transport. Movement of people, goods from one place to another through air. are known as air transport. These are the example of air transport: rocket, helicopter, aeroplane, paragliding, fighter plane. These are the example of air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. So student, at last we can say there are three type of transport: land transport, water transport, and land transport. So students, I hope you understood all things. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Komal, and I am a primary teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri. Today, I am presenting a TLM. This TLM is made by me. By using this TLM, we can teach easily student the place value. I have made here two houses only for teaching two-digit number. Like by using this one, we can easily tell them which number and which digit on which place. Like for example, you can see there is a two window, and here 1 and 1 is written. So in a 11 number, which number is at a place ones and which digit is at place tens. Suppose if I'm telling a student, tell me the digit in a number 23, we can move these strips and make a different number. Now you can see here is a 31. We write 3 and 1. So in 31 number, 1 is at a 1's place and 3 is at 10's place. Now if I want to change the number, I can move the strips and make the different number, two-digit number. Now here is, you can see, now here is 45. Now in 45, when we write 45, here you can see 5 is at 1's place and 4 is at 10's place. So student can easily see in the window the number and can tell which digit at which place. We can move the strips easily so that we can change the number. And if we want to teach in a third class and in a fourth class where we have to teach the place value more, like 100 and 1000, we can make more houses here. We can add this here on the next strip. We can expand this TLM according to our need. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Komal, and I am a primary teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri. Here are my some TLMs. These TLMs I can use. These are finger puppets, and I will use these puppets to teach one of the story in a class second, The Mumbai Magician, where one is a donkey named Gopu, and there is one dog in the story named Hopu, one cat named Fury, and one cock, and the name of the cook is Cuckoo. So with the help of this finger puppet, I can easily make understand the student the story, The Mumbai Magician. Here is one small demo of that chapter. A long time ago, there is a farmer who have one donkey named Gopu. He is very hardworking. So that farmer decided, I will allow that donkey to go and see the world. Gopu also agreed. So he decided to go to the Mumbai. And on the way, when he is going towards the Mumbai, he met one dog. And the name of the dog is Dopu. Gopu asked Dopu that, would you like to come with me? I'm going to Mumbai to become a magician. So Dopu also agreed, and he said, yes, I would love to go. When they both are going, they met one cat. The name of the cat is Fury. So they both asked to cat also, would you like to come with us? Would you like to join us? We are going to Mumbai to become a magician. So Fury also agreed, and it also start moving towards the Mumbai with Gopu and Dopu. When they are also going forward, so they met one cook, and the name of the cock is Cuckoo. They all are going to the Mumbai for becoming a magician. When they are going, they saw one house, and there is a light. Some people are inside the house. They all are doing party. They all see lots of food in the house. So they all decided ki we will sing, and people inside the house, they will get to know we all are musicians. So they all decided to sing. And now donkey started dhenchu, and dogs start barking. Bho, bho, bho. Cook also start singing. Kukuruku, kukuruku. And cat also start meow, meow, meow. So people inside the house, they all scared. They all thought maybe there is a ghost. So they all ran away as fast as they can. When the people already ran, they all went to the house, inside the house, and eat lots of food. Thank you.
This is my first TLM. It is related with maths, in which you can see the numbers from 1 to 100, and the name of the game is reach the end point first, be the winner. In this game, we can teach children addition, subtraction, and many more concepts of mathematics. But usually I use this game for the primary classes, that is 2, 3 and 4, teaching them even and odd. In this game, any number of players can play it with a dice. First player has to choose either or odd. For instance, if a player chooses odd numbers and get even numbers, then he missed his turn to move ahead. Otherwise, on getting the required number, he moves his piece ahead according to the digit comes in a dice. So these are the pieces and the dice with which children play their game. The player that reach to the 100, that is the finish line, first will be the winner of the game, and students easily understand the concept of odd and even. My second TLM is related with language, either it is Hindi or English. I took a topic noun, where I made flashcards and pasted the flashcards with their name in a decorative way. That means I integrate the art learning with the subject. I have also prepared this My Galaxy Town, where every picture had some names. So in these ways we can taught children the different naming words. So by reading all the names, the student can learn this.
Okay. So she was wandering here and there in search of the food. Suddenly she saw that there was a crow. It had a piece of bread. She thought, because what is it? This is clever. So make a sentence with clever of the fox. Fox was very clever. She told to the crow, "My dear crow, you are very sweet, you are very handsome, and your voice is very melodious. Will you sing a song for me?" Stop. Use bread in your sentence, your own sentence. Make a sentence with bread.
I love to eat bread.
Very good. The crow had a piece of bread in its beak. Okay. The crow started sing. Cow, cow, cow. As he started saying, the piece of the bread fell down. Okay. And the clever frog took the bread in its mouth and went away from there. Stop.
Hello sir, how are you? Hello sir, how are you?
Very good, beta. I am fine. And you? दोबारा बोलो.
Good afternoon sir. Sir, how are you?
Fine, beta. Thank you.
Hello sir. sir. How are you? My name is Chiku. Hello, sir. How are you? My name is Miku.
Very good.
Good afternoon.
Niyat, good
Hello,
afternoon.
sir. Good afternoon.
Very good bit. How are you? Hi puppets. Puppets also.
I am fine.
Now you have to use your puppets like it. Both the puppets you have to use like they are talking each other. Just sit. Hi Pinky. Hi Pinky. Where are you going? Hi Whitey. I am going to in search of water. But where are you going? I am hungry. Now I am in search of food. Where are you going? I am going to the river. Will you go with me? No, I will go to take food first. Then I will go to take water. Okay, you go on your way. I am going. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. See you again.
Hello. Hello. What is your name? My name is Rabbit. What is your name? My name is Bunny. How are you? I am fine. Bye bye.
Stop.
Okay, sir.
Start.
Hello, Chiku. Hello, Piku. How are you? I am fine. Chiku, I am very hungry. Oh, I am hungry too. Can you give me some food? No, not food. Thank you, sir.
Well,
Namaskar, मैं रूपम PRT. I'm here to present a small poem, A Little Turtle. Here is my poem. I am a little turtle. I crawl so slow. I carry my house wherever I go. When I get tired, I put in my hat, my legs and my tail and I go to bed. Thank you. नमस्कार, मैं रूपम PRT आज आपके सामने एक छोटी सी पोएम लेकर प्रस्तुत हूँ 5 little birds. Here is my poem. One little pink bird with nothing to do, along come a blue one, and then there were two. Pink bird, blue bird flew up in a tree. A red bird joined them, and then there were 3. Pink bird, blue bird, red bird. On a moor along hopped a green bird, and then there were 4. This 4 little birds all taking a dive. Down flew a yellow bird, and then there were 5. 5 little birds flying in the sun. 4 flew away, and then there were 1. Thank you.